Good lovely morning. Welcome back to Diamond Sea Farms. We've had a little bit of a shift in weather, so it's quite a bit colder out here than what it has been. I guess it's finally decided to turn winter. I'm starting the morning off with a hot chocolate and coffee mix, which is one of my favorite little treats. I don't have it often, but I love it when I do have it. Anyways, if you're new here, my name is Amber and I'm glad you decided to join us. If you've already been here for a while, hey, good to see ya. Let's jump into our week. We're gonna feed some cows and then we're gonna head to the feed store to start our morning off.
So we gotta adjust the water. We'll do that some other day.
Waylon went on a little horse ride this morning already. How was that? You didn't ride at all? What'd you do? Huh?
I just got on.
You just got on? We're not sure yet if we're gonna keep this soap pony or not. You gonna keep him?
I need something bigger.
Huh?
I need something bigger.
You need something bigger? Yeah. We'll see. All those calves will be going to the market in the next couple weeks, and so Lee will be off during that time. He gets a good long vacation towards the end of the year, just because of the hours that he saved up, and so probably be doing a little bit more, and so hopefully we'll take you guys with us on that. Now we're headed to the feed store. Buckle your seatbelts. Buckle, buckle, buckle. Good job, Till. My hands are cold. Yeah.
We're gonna adjust these waters to wintertime settings so they won't freeze. We got a natural gate in the fence right there next to the mules.
The mules made it for you?
I think that board just rotted off like that, didn't it? They chew it too.
They chewed it too.
Not do it, Dad.
And they said, ooh, what's this?
Quit.
The dog's trying to get him. Did you need some kisses?
Are you trying to get kisses?
Yeah. I think we'll have to go get a wrench.
Oh.
That sucks.
The wind is awful.
Hey, this one's wet enough. So the way them work, they've got a float in them like your toilet does that adjusts the level as the animal drinks from it, and it's got a drain pipe that drains it back out into the ground so it can't overflow. But they'll freeze in the wintertime, and there's a sprayer in it that agitates the water just enough it won't freeze, but they're aggravating to get set right. So we've done this today. We'll have to come back tomorrow and look at them, make sure they're not running over, because the drain can only handle so much water.
Whitley, do not get on him like that. His back can't handle that. You got it, Way?
I'm scared him, huh?
Here. You gotta make sure you're in the boat the whole way. There you go. So I done one yesterday, and we'll have one more to do today, and somebody else is supposed to take care of the other few.
He's about as big as you are. Here's the last one.
We don't need it. Take it back. That's all the waters. I reckon. Let's file this chainsaw in the garage here, and then we'll go down and check the water I set yesterday. Maybe cut a little firewood along the way somewhere. Pick up these tools we've been using and throw them out, or
Throw them out. Yeah, just trash those.
Where they go.
That fence is broke. I'm not fixing it real quick.
You find a problem, Warren?
I think them people out there.
that's long enough that they can make it work.
That was probably some dumb.
There you go.
I just got. Okay, you put it on home. Put it on home.
Yeah, that one's pretty rough too.
Bobbled up in the head. I don't know.
Watch out one. You're gonna get hit with a hammer.
There's 2 or 3 of them. Hammers that kind of handle them.
I hate hammers with wooden handles. They break.
So much you don't use them right.
I need a hammer made out of titanium.
Tungsten.
Oh, here's a hand in a pack. Is any good?
Look at that other hammer.
Grab a steeple out of the truck. Where's the gecko?
Waylon, run out there and look at that water and make sure it ain't running over while I'm turning around. It's the one I adjusted yesterday. Actually, a double water. All good?
Yeah.
Like that one. Get out, pick up the wood and carry it to the wood pile. You can reach all that.
Well, you don't throw it.
This one got a big one on it.
You reckon this needs to put He's wanting wood, but not kindling. Slap this one.
It's hard for me to hit it as easy as you do. It's hard for me to hold myself back that much.
Oh, yeah, right. You wish.
Well, you stack what you do. We got a log we're going to try to drag up here and get it away from the brush pile so we can burn it maybe. I think I'll try to use this truck. I was going to use a tractor, but...
trying to get a fire going to put his knife in that he's making to get it hot so that he can quench it. He does have a forge. I don't know why he's using the fire instead, but this is what he's decided to do. So I come bearing gifts.
That's what I'm talking about.
Whoop, I about fell.
Yeah, I've been picking up stuff around here.
I can't imagine.
Yeah, you didn't have to do that.
Oh, they didn't want it to bite me. Stick it like that, I think.
Wherever.
Oh, there's a cup of coal forming there.
How long will it take it to get red hot in there?
A while.
We don't know. I'm opening the roll can. Do it.
And they glove.
It's too hot, Dad.
Turn the blower back on and the fire gets back wet here.
What are we doing now, Leroy?
Yeah, we'll haul some hay up, kill a little time. Some square bales for the horses.
Oh yeah.
We get a few more.
How many reps can you do?
Just picking up hay bales?
Yeah.
The world don't know. Nobody knows. We've never found a limit.
There's no limit?
I'm not saying that. I'm just saying I picked up a lot of hay bales and never did that.
So the limit does not exist.
Say we've never found it yet. Come on, Wayne. There is a limit, I'm sure.
I could guarantee I don't want this. There you go, Dad. Throw one right here.
I'll throw it up there for you, babe. We'll get another one.
See how smart I am?
That is not staying.
Splinter in my finger.
Is it a hay splinter?
No. Don't make me mad.
Hey guys. What are you doing? Simba girl. Simba girl. Oh. 2 at a time. I knew you could do it, Waylon. Warren can do it too.
Hooray! Mom, look. Watch. Hooray, hooray. One can do it too.
Alright, it's the next morning. We're feeding these cows and we're getting the gates set up to hopefully get the cow up here that has the bad foot, and then we'll check her out and see what's going on with her foot.
Her back feet are terrible. Growed out.
Oh yeah. Her back grew out.
When it walks, it like clicks.
Yeah, she's got to hurt her. I think she has lost her calf, but I don't think she's sick. But we're getting wide.
The other one's a bad one.
They're both bad.
The other one's
Hmm.
can't kick it hard then.
Yes, you can. It'd be bad if he gets his fingers caught between her hoof and that wall. What?
I wonder if she's grown over that much.
Doesn't look good.
I know. We need to get him back.
Down.
She's kicking the crap out of me. She ain't gonna pick it up, is she?
Mm-mm.
There you go. Go under the leg.
No.
Where'd your knickers go?
They're right there.
Surprised me how much weight she lost.
He can't be here soon enough.
Huh?
He can't be here soon enough. We're gonna have to turn her loose. We can't keep her leg up and her head down like that forever. I'm saying turn her loose.
She caught right down my back.
Still looks rough.
Goes on the table in the old freezer.
I'm putting this one in there too.
Hopefully it improves over the next day or so, though. We'll just keep an eye on her.
We are not professional cow hoof trimmers.
Fun?
You could say that.
At least you didn't get kicked.
I did get kicked like 3 times.
Yeah, but you didn't get like,
I didn't get pummeled, but she got me a couple times.
yeah. But you're okay.
Yeah. Be okay anyways.
Even if she pummeled you?
Yes. Been there, done that. We're gonna have to turn this water down. We turned it up yesterday so it wouldn't freeze, and now it's running over everywhere because we turned it up too much. Now we gotta work a stinking mud hole.
Thanks to somebody. You know who that somebody is? Wrong. Those pliers.
Did that fly over by itself?
It's because they turned it up too much yesterday.
Lester gonna live right.
They're actually not good for cows.
Taste bad?
There's some kind of snail that carries a parasite called liver flukes.
You turned it down.
We're done.
Jeez. We're headed to a Christmas parade. The boys are not excited, but the girls are, right? You're so
I'm
silly.
excited for you.
You are? You like Christmas parades?
I like you, and I know you want to do it. Got that little hat on, look at
guys, that's gonna wrap this one up. Thank you for hanging out with us. Hey, I did create a Instagram account for our channel. It's called diamondcbrand. So if you want, you can go check that out. I've been posting some pictures and some like little short video clips on there. So if you think you're interested in that, you could go check that out. and share that page with your friends and family, and so maybe we can build a bigger community here. Otherwise, we will see you guys in the next one. Bye!